Hey sister friends, we are here with another color blend. So this color today is what I call rowdy red. So the colors are 30, 350, and 900. The 900 may also be burgundy in the store and it may not have a number on it. But you can also purchase this color blend on my website at braidplicity.com, and then you won't have to worry about the color numbers. But let's get into how you blend the hair. So right now, I'm showing you how to blend the hair. You're going to take it and put it into two halves, and then you're going to take one half and put it on top of the other half. Then pull from the middle and repeat this same motion. This is very repetitive. In order to get the colors to blend, you want to blend until no color is standing out more than the other, where it looks like you picked this up and it was just one color already by itself. Another key to this is using that detangling brush that you just saw me use. The hair will get tangled as you're doing all this maneuvering, so you want to make sure you have some type of comb or detangling brush, a wide tooth comb, to just continue to go through the tangles and then repeat the motion of going back and blending the hair. So you just keep doing this on repeat until you get the color blend of your desires. So I'm stopping here just to show you how the blend is going so far. And then right here, I'm just pointing out how one color is standing out more than the other. It doesn't look like a blend. So that's my sign to continue to blend. And here is the finished product. You guys let me know if you have any questions. And again, check out my website if you want to go ahead and purchase this blend. I also have the boho curly pieces in now that match these color blends. So I'm really super excited, and I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day.